Hello everybody, let's learn about the usage of double-lin's valve endurance tech equipment. The simple vortex is double-lin's ball valve model LL1063, size 3/4 inch. The degree of valves open and close is 90 degrees. According to double-lin standard, its endurance is 10,000 times without leakage. Now we plug in power of the equipment. Rotate right to start the equipment. Firstly, let's see the display panel at front of equipment. The upper middle part of panel is language switching button. We press the button to switch the language to English. The upper left part of panel is to show current temp. The middle part is parameter settings. The setting degrees we set as 90 degrees. The setting times we set as 10,000 times. The texting frequency is the number for open and close of equipment. During the text, the number is always going up. When the number is added equal to the setting number, the equipment will make a brum sound, and the red light on the right side of panel will light up. The buttons below are start, stop, and so on. Now we install the valve into the equipment. We use the wrench to unscrew the device. The space here should be longer than the length of valve. Let's look at the valve. Rotate the handle to close the valve. This side is valve body, and this side is bonnet. We lift the middle pressure lever. Face the valve body to the inner side of equipment and put into the hexagonal part. Then gently lower the pressure lever. The top of pressure lever and the upper part of valve handle are pressed in place. This is the state that the pressure lever is not pressed in place. Finally, we use the wrench to rotate clockwise. And press the valve with a little force. We must close the glass door when the equipment is working. Let's demonstrate. Here we set the number as 15 times in order to save the time. Press the start button. Now we press the 0 button. The number turns back to 0. After the repeated open and close text, let's check the sealing of valve. Press the single button in the panel. Open the air pump and press the start button. We notice that the pointer or pressure gauge of air pump is stabilized to 15. If the pressure is not stabilized to 15 and we can hear the air going out, we can use the wrench to press the valve. And then start again. Close the air pump. Press the single button in the panel to restore to multi. Now we can take apart the valve. And put the valve into water. no leakage, indicating the valve is good. We rotate the handle and hear the sound bang. That's all for today. Have you learned?